let's get started. We're making turkey cookies.
Wow, sounds yummy. Matthew, do you know what Thanksgiving is?
Yes, it's where all the people in USA celebrate with their family.
Yeah, that's right.
And we're gonna do butter, then sugar cookies, and now for decoration we're gonna do fruit by the foot, jelly beans, candy corn, snow caps, milk chocolate, Dove, and Hershey syrup. First we're gonna do the sugar. Next we're gonna do the butter. You need help putting it in the oven from the parent. When you're using electricity, you need a parent because you might die because if you plug something in, you'll get burned because you'll get shocked. Okay, it's time to decorate. First, we need a little cookie, and then we need to do chocolate. This we need one. Guys, all of you guys have to draw a turkey on the cookie. Do the eyes with the milk chocolate frosting. Turkey cookie.
Oh my God, famous Matthew. Look, it's like a turkey cookie. It looks yummy. Can you see, guys?
And I did it all by myself.
Nice. Do you like it?
Yes. Save us the best. Guys, we finished the video and I hope you like it and draw your comment and make sure to subscribe.
Bye.
And make it have 1,000 subscribers, please. Bye.
Bye.